Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to test the 6x6 out. Now with the brand new RZR diff or Polaris Sportsman. I don't remember exactly what it come out of, but as you can tell, we got a nice four-wheel drive system now, diff lock. Okay, so it's actually tapping right here. So the options are either we're gonna chop it off and come straight down, which would work, or we might chop it and then bend it a little bit, just a little bit, because it's just barely hitting. It's not hitting, just barely tapping it. So we don't need a lot of movement, but it's just something we got to figure out. But before I start chopping on that piece, I want to make sure that this back transfer case actually holds together, because we've been having a lot of issues, and I thought it was just the drivetrain up front. I thought because the Honda diff was probably fighting the Polaris diffs, but now they're all Polaris diffs. They all match each other. All are supposed to be right, people. So we're gonna go get some mud and we're gonna test them out. No idea how long this video is going to be, because we don't know. It might break, or I might be like, hey, it works great, but the front drive might be going la, 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 and lose its mind. We don't know. But let me slap the GoPro on, let me get my waders on, and I will see y'all, I guess, at the mud hole. Why drive there? Okay, we're here, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, it rained a lot last weekend. I mean, a lot. So it's gonna be thick. I think we're gonna go in this hole in two-wheel drive. Going this way isn't that bad, but coming back is always the worst. So let's see what we can do, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're on. If not, this is gonna be a waste of time. Two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. Okay, I guess that was six-wheel drive. Okay, now it's off. Six-wheel drive, engage. Something about if you hit this button and you don't go in reverse, it doesn't disengage. I don't know what's going on with that. But anyways. Holy crap, it's deep. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, I can say without a doubt that front diff lock is 1,000 times better. Like, I hope this rear end holds up, because that was 1,000 times better. 1,000. Like, normally you're lucky if she makes it up there, because your other wheel isn't turning. But that time, because I had diff lock, she did amazing. Let's go through that again. I don't know why, it just doesn't always seem to disengage. Probably something to do with Polaris' black magic. I don't know how they get this stuff to work. Well, let's go through it again. See if she's in two-wheel drive, or I'm sorry, four-wheel drive. No, she's back in four-wheel drive. I don't get it. Like, it shouldn't be locked in, but it's locking in. I mean, I ain't gonna argue. If she wants to lock in, baby. Doesn't seem to want to disengage. Anyways, I don't care. Wow. Holy crap, ladies and gentlemen. Don't understand. It's like sometimes it locks in, sometimes it don't. But I mean, when the button's off, not when the button's on. The button's on, it locks in. Power on, let's go. Wow, this stuff is thick today. There's the root. Ah! I think the Can-Am kind of dug this out a lot. Holy crap. Oh, there you go. Found it. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, crap. Oh, we missed fourth gear. We're going to try this. Bad idea, because, again, there's nobody to pull us out, but I think we can do it. We did it last time, no trouble. Let's see if we can do it this time. Come on, baby. Come on, holy crap, she's underwater. I just don't like that drive shaft. It's just going click, 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 click. Other than that, we are slowly moving, guys. Last time we kind of floated through here. This time we're just kind of digging. But other than that, holy crap. Come on, baby. Y'all tell me that thing ain't bad to the bone. Let's see. Can we prop my phone up out here? I'll get it. I know this is a bad idea. Holy crap, that's deeper than it looked. And I don't think there's anywhere to put my phone. At least not be safe. You know, I might. Aha! I got it. The wand. Will this stick in the ground though? Oh yeah, it will. Now we can take this off. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a bad idea. One of two things is gonna happen. We're gonna get stuck, which, okay, or we're gonna break down. Hopefully neither. Moment of truth, will she make it again? Come on. This is what my flatbed I'm getting in the future will really help. And one in the hole. Y'all can't tell me that thing just doesn't eat. The problem we're running into right now is that the back tires are just floating. But hey, it's not that bad. Let me slap the GoPro back on and let's get to the thick mud that's over there, you know, way over there, that's been breaking us every time. It's time to see if it will actually work. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is just doing awesome. Is this the final form? I think so. Hopefully. We gotta go over here. This is what the thick stuff is that has been breaking the transfer case. Will she last? We'll find out. This really sucks only being able to go to like second gear. Just third gear. You hear it? If you start speeding up to third gear, that drive shaft will start hitting. But I'm 100% sure now that we are gonna cut that frame and fix it. This thing is working amazing today. Like, I don't know how much better it could work. I mean, more power would be nice, but what are you really gonna do? Because we're starting on a deep end, we better go ahead and engage four-wheel drive. Without brakes, this thing always chokes off when you try to go. Here we go, now we got into it. This is what stopped everything. I mean, guys, come on. Come on, get out. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, she made it. And yeah, she didn't want to spin anymore though. She got to the point where she was like, no. Plus, I couldn't give it all the gumption because again, I'm trying not to snap that U-joint, because then I gotta take it all apart. But I think we all officially can say this thing is good. I don't see why not. Let's go over here and play in some mud some more, and I don't see why she won't hold up now. Like, that is what snapped it both times. And what it was when you get in that thick mud, the front tires were fighting with the back tires, because the ratio was, even though the ratio is technically the same on that one and the Honda, something is different in it. I don't know what. The all-wheel drive system and the Polaris is just different than the Honda's front-wheel drive system. I am liking the diff lock, y'all can't lie. That thing is working great when it comes to climbing up. Hondas have never been good at climbing up because you have that one wheel that if it could dig, you could make it. But nope, it won't be moving. So all I gotta do now is take it and get that bar straightened out, and I don't see why this thing ain't good to go. I forgot how thick this was earlier. Wow, look at them tiles go. hitting. It bothers me so much. Y'all just don't understand. Well, it's official. The gearbox has now lasted longer than it ever has. And I've been through every hole over here, and she's not missed a beat. I really do think that front diff was when it got in a bind with two pieces of with the front and the back wasn't loose. It was just because it just couldn't spin like it's supposed to. Yes, we really got to get that front end, just kind of cut that beam off or relocate it because, yeah, that's bothering me. Y'all just don't understand that. I'm like, ugh, it bothers me. But we're gonna go through this hole one more time, and then we're gonna go to that hole back there and do an outside view because what can I say? I love an outside view, baby. Okay, let's go. Whoa, hello. Whoa, man, she went that time. I'm telling y'all, this diff lock, when it catches, it catches. Look at her go. Holy crap, it's over the boiler. Come on, baby. Whoa, 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 and that's why diff lock water pedal. If you ever wonder, should you do a Polaris diff on the front end? I say yes. Or a diff lock. If you can find a 424 and you don't want to cut up, I understand. But just look how easy this goes. Right up, no trouble. This thing climbs right up, no trouble, not even a struggle barely. And it's all thanks to that diff lock. I didn't think it was gonna matter that much. If y'all remember the last couple times, I don't think we made it the last time. I think we had to back up because we couldn't make it up because the front wheel just won't spin. Now we got both wheels spinning. The transfer case ain't cracked, it ain't messed up. We've went through everything we got, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost ready to go to Busco with this thing. Anyways, I'll catch you in 5 seconds when we get home. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we can officially say the 6x6 works. For once, it actually made it back without breaking, and we actually did everything. We sent it through every hole we had over here, and she still held together. Maybe that was our gearbox problem. Anyways, guys, I had to get the wrench loaded because I'm working on this for a friend of mine, and yeah, we gotta fix it. Hopefully we can get it running right. It did turn over. So we got a starter, we got a solenoid, we got a lot of stuff for it. We're gonna try to get started. This one, he told me if I got it running, he would, instead of paying for the parts, I would actually do the job for another four-wheeler. So I don't really want to spoil what the four-wheeler is. It's, again, I'm doing a little bit of work for it, so you know it's not going to be like a Can-Am or a Honda 300, but it is going to be interesting, guys. I mean, you know me, I like everything. Also, the brute heel is sadly leaving. We're actually taking the tiles off. My friend bought the tiles. It was just too much, ladies and gentlemen. You know me, I'm willing to, I mean, come on, look, I'm willing to try go and go and go to make something work, but this one was just too much, and I could actually buy another brute this style for the price of the money I was starting to look at. The engine was fine. I could do an engine that wouldn't be that expensive, but it was a lot of other stuff that just kept adding up, and I was like, it's not worth it. Don't worry, we're gonna get another brute. Like I said in the video, I want a brute. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. Comment, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and also share this with your friends. Let's let the 6x6 get famous, and I will see y'all on the next one.